The Assurance Wireless app gets stuck on loading due to app state management failures, where it can't transition from the initial loading phase to the main interface. This happens from several factors. Server issues, high traffic or outages cause delays. App problems, overloaded cache, corrupted files, or outdated version. Network issues, unstable or slow connections interrupt loading. Device compatibility, not compatible with older OS or devices. API issues, server response timeouts from high latency. Here are some troubleshooting steps to fix the stuck on loading issue with the Assurance Wireless app. First, force stop and relaunch the app. Close it completely and reopen it. Second, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi or cellular data. Try switching between them. Third, clear app cache and data. For Android, go to Settings, Apps, My Assurance Wireless, Storage, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Fourth, update the app. Check App Store or Google Play for updates. Fifth, restart your device to resolve temporary glitches. Sixth, if clearing cache doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall the app. Seventh, check if Assurance Wireless is experiencing an outage. Eighth, grant all necessary permissions to the app. If the problem continues, contact Assurance Wireless support.